Hey, it's me, Kathy. Today is Tuesday, and I was FaceTiming with my daughter this morning, and I was going to do a recipe with chicken and some of the leftover vegetables I had from the stir fry that we did a while back. They're still good, but I got to use them. So that's what I was going to do, and I was going to Asian them up. But then she mentioned that it was Tuesday, and Tuesdays to her is Taco Tuesday. So we are going to make chicken and veggie quesadillas in honor of Taco Tuesday. And the chicken is grilled and it's gonna be delicious, and follow along. I'm out on my deck, I'm gonna grill. It's gonna pour any minute, so I hope I make it. Oh look, I have a bald spot. That stinks. All right, so I've got some chicken breasts that I got from Misfits Market, of course. And they are sprayed with a non-stick cooking spray and seasoned with salt and pepper. And they're going on. You can see me, that's great. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I want to cook them quick because, like I say, it's going to rain any second. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Okay, flipping them over. I got a big carpenter bee flying over my head. He may join us. All right, these are just about ready to go, and then we're going to make the rest of our quesadillas. Forgot what I was saying. We're starting with a little bit of my favorite news oil, jalapeno and garlic infused olive oil. Love it, adds flavor. It's really fun. And when that gets shimmery, we're gonna start with these vegetables. These are the vegetables that I had left over from the stir fry that we made. I'm adding a couple more, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, and we'll be cooking them up in a second. Okay, we're ready to go in. First batch of veggies going in. Whoops, going all over the place. By the way, this is mushrooms, peppers, broccoli. In case you didn't watch the other video. And then in my refrigerator, I found a half a red onion and some zucchini, also from Misfits Market. All of this stuff, including the chicken breast, the organic chicken breast, is from Misfits Market. So we're gonna add those in. I missed that one. And we're gonna let that go for a little bit. And we're gonna season them with salt and pepper, and chili powder, and cumin, and smoked paprika, and some of my lime stuff, some cilantro, and the last of my garlic. And we're gonna cook these down, and we'll be right back. These are all starting to soften up. I'm just gonna dump this garlic in. And I just happen to have some corn on the cob, so I cut it off, and in we go. I thought I had some black beans in the pantry, but I didn't. But this will be all right without it, and we're gonna cook them down. Our veggies are ready. We're gonna let them cool off a little bit, and then we are gonna build our chicken and veggie quesadillas. They're gonna be yummy. I have this skillet on medium heat. We're gonna give it a little spray. And we're going to add a tortilla. Put that on. Now this cheese, I cleaned out my cheese drawer in the refrigerator. So this is a combination of 2 kinds of cheddar and smoked Gouda. And you can do that as long as they go together. And we're gonna put it on. And we're gonna wait for it to get a little bit melty. And then we'll add our veggies and our chicken. We want it to go all the way out to the edge, not too far, so it doesn't leak out when it's melted. But like that. Okay, we're just starting to get a little bit soft, and these vegetables have cooled down substantially. So we're gonna add those in now. In a kind of a thin layer. One more, there we go. It's not exactly a thin layer, but I think it will do. So now it's time for our grilled chicken pieces. I hesitate to mention that I burnt the first one of these. Well, it's not totally burnt, it's just a little crispy. So we're gonna lay that chicken out like that. It's gonna be nice. Okay, now we're gonna fold over the top, and the cheese can act like glue and seal this thing together. And to make sure that happens, we want to add some kind of a weight. So I'm going to put it under the tea kettle. Give it a little press. And let it go. We should be done shortly. Okay, our cheese is super melty. Our vegetables are hot. These are a little astray, but that's okay. So we're going to take this guy out. We should go the long way. So we can keep everything intact. It's going to be messy, but it's going to be delicious. Okay, here's number 3. Ready to go. And that is our Taco Tuesday dinner. That's the better looking side, so that's how we're going to show it off. And as you can see, the first one got a little overcooked, but I'm going to put it on the plate anyway. Nobody here but me and Kelly. So here are our chicken and veggie quesadillas, all from Misfits Market. The veggies are left over and I all had to use them. So we have used all of our ingredients, and that's what it's all about. Let's keep on keeping on with using our stuff. Okay, here's Tuesday dinner, and it's Taco Tuesday. We have quesadillas instead. I added a little salsa, a little sour cream, cut them into pieces. Let's have a look. This one will come up easiest. At what they look like inside. They're fabulous, and I cannot, whoa, losing it. They're fabulous, and I cannot wait to eat them. So, that is the end of our Taco Tuesday presentation. Enjoy, and I hope you make them. I want to thank you for helping me play on Taco Tuesday. Here's my last bite of one of these babies, and they look so good. And we will see you again for Flatbread Friday, or maybe even something in between.